Today, Tim's Custom Cabinets is going to install the upper cabinets. There's a set of jacks that's going to help lift that really heavy Lazy Susan corner cabinet.
Yeah, I think some of the studs here lined up kind of weird. Here and here. And then if I move that here, that's like showing that that's all stud right there.
These little rubber dots help damper the sound when you close the cabinets.
Bumpers.
Yeah, bumpers, that would make sense. And these are self-closing cabinets. And we have the handles too. Out comes the Lazy Susan. So Diane's doing a little dusting in advance of the installation. Interesting, finding the studs. So a cabinet on the left and the right side of the Lazy Susan will be physically attached.
1 3/4 inch screws. That's pretty close. Yeah.
First set of upper cabinets installed. Beautiful.
Oh, it says the whole thing's a studs. Yeah. For whatever reason, it doesn't like these walls. Oh, it's trying to dust. Pretty damn good. Yeah. There's a stud. That was easy.
At least there's a nail.
Yeah, at least there's a nail. There. 16 on center. Oh, that's nice. 9. I don't want to fish in too much. But I'm 3/4 inch off. Down on this side. That's pretty good. Before I seal these up, would you like to make a time capsule out of one of them?
You know, that's a good idea. I'm not sure what I'd put in there.
So these are the doors to the lazy Susan door. Okay. The reason I never mounted these to begin with is I didn't know which way to open them. Because it could, depending on what you're storing down there, you're either going to go from the sink or the stove. Most of the stuff dictate what will be there.
So I had to make an executive decision here as to which way to open the Lazy Susan door. This way or that way? Since the window's on this side, there's a lot of light, and also the room light is in this direction. So I elect opening it from the left, hinged on the right.
So I just set the door on top of that block.
Chris designed this jig to assist him in hanging a door.
Sets it at the right height every time.
Wow. Well, that was quick.
Yeah. Pretty funny. He does that so quick.
You've done this a few times before, huh, Chris?
Yeah. The trick is holding it with your shoulder, pushing this top hinge up with your shoulder and just kind of keep it in place.
So part of the jig is the human element, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
So it works on both sides, so you don't have all this hanging off the back, it's just the front.
Huh. Version 2.
Yeah, version 2, this was version first.
Have you patented this?
No.
Hmm.
It's open source, I'm going to call it open source.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking hinging both of these in the center on this one, because you can access this one from this side and that one from that side, so they'll open towards each other.
That makes sense to me.
Okay.
I didn't know it did that. Same jig for this door too, huh?
Yep. All I did was spin the jig around and use it from the other direction.
Stick on the little bumpers. All the cabinets are installed, uppers and lowers. Just the countertop remains.
And the crown.
And the crown. The decorative trim around the cabinets and around the window.
Yep.
That is really cool. Handles and crown tomorrow. Fantastic. They were here for just a couple hours today. Got all this done. It's beautiful.